to Franco's experiments. So today I'm doing a volcano again, well, which is painted instead. So I already did the first step, which is make the volcano base, which is this one, and paint it, which it's already done. So this is the volcano base where the lava comes out. And this is our volcano plate, so the lava doesn't spill all out. So the ingredients we need are water in a cup, whichever cup you have, and citric acid. Yeah, it is. And sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, but they just added a little bit of color. So the lava, so you don't have to put the water first and then the eruption comes. That's so that, well, it has color because if you put it, and you put the citric acid and then slowly the lava will already have its color. That's all because of the baking soda that has color. So first, we need to take a big scoop of sodium bicarbonate, a big one. Pour it inside our volcano base. And now a big scoop of citric acid too. Sorry, this was not enough. Oh, this is very chicken like me. There. A big scoop of it. And now with the small scoops, we better mix them all together. Mixing. There. And now, here comes the eruption. Or slowly hit the water and let's see what will happen. Eruption. Eruption. Well, this was today's experiment. So I see you in the next episode of Franco's experiment.